everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be showing you how to create these floating florals for church pews. You'll start off by marking the placement of the floral arrangement with a piece of painter's tape. Our client requested white bows to be attached to the floral arrangement. The arrangement was held together first with a rubber band, and then the white ribbon bow covered the rubber band on the arrangement. Next, you will use a piece of double-sided tape to completely cover the front and back of where the ribbon is covering. And then you will use a second piece of double-sided tape just for the back of the arrangement, which will stick to the arrangement and then to the painter's tape on the pew. Next, you will align the arrangement with the painter's tape and press and hold until it is completely stuck. And there you have it, a floating floral arrangement for a church pew. All materials used will be listed in the description below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.